All right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I have no idea what we're going to get into. We're going to eat, though. That is for sure. Right now, I'm on my way to Center Bar and Grill, which is a new kind of a sports bar, restaurant-ish place that opened up in our area. And Captain Man is there offering his pilot skills. I'm not sure what that means, but we're going to find out soon. I left my truck here last night. I hope it's still here. You know, no drinking and driving. We got pretty tore up, man. What are you doing, Josharoo? This is what you meant by pilot skills?
Yeah.
You have like all the toys. You like seafood?
I do.
You want to go to a fancy place?
Yeah, but you don't eat anything from there, dude.
I kind of want to try crab legs.
Wait, you do? Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I got a spot. I got a really nice seafood spot that you'll love, okay?
Okay.
All right?
What is it, though?
What do you mean?
What is it called?
I can't tell you. I'm going to tell the people watching this video. Okay, new developments. We have a friend coming along, but he won't be ready for an hour. We have to kill an hour. Notice a lot of you guys are all pissed off at me because I'm not riding any wheelies. We'll get one in. Promise. Man, we're exploring. We're coming across all kinds of cool shit. There's a trophy truck in there. Moonlight Golf. Indoor golf? Hey, check out what indoor golf is. Might stumble onto something pretty cool. See what happens when you explore? Look what we found. Indoor golf.
Let's check it out.
Right. Do you know how to play golf?
Nope.
Me either. Are you guys open today?
Yeah, open today.
Shit just works out sometimes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
Oh, wow.
Cool. Yeah.
Had no idea this place was even here. We're just riding around, and I saw the sign.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Teaching? Teaching.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 10%.
And what if we just want to like hit the ball?
Oh, just a head ball? Yeah. It's 38 1 hour.
38 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
And you can do the party with the friends.
The VIP.
Yeah, VIP room. Yeah.
Can we check it out?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
No way.
And how much for VIP? Like for 8 people or 10 people?
98.
98
Yeah, like 1 hour 100.
per
Yeah.
person, or just every? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Yeah.
We're going to have a party here sometime.
No, I really like it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I'll try it. Okay.
Only one, and we do the $38 one.
Yeah, I don't know how to play golf.
Oh, you want to learn?
Okay, let's try it.
Yeah.
I hope I don't break anything.
Okay.
Very good for new player. Oh, that was a good one.
Where'd it go?
Okay, try again. Don't worry. Try again.
Oh, so I didn't even register. Okay, let's try it again. How do you know how far it went?
Let me show you.
Oh, I didn't hit it at all.
You did it out.
Dang!
Wow. Jesus. Jesus. Awesome, man.
Okay, can I try one more?
Yeah.
Okay, this time we're going to register it. Okay. At least we got off the board.
Just watch the ball. Don't move the hand.
Okay, don't move my head.
Yeah. Don't look.
I'm bad at this. All right. This is the more affordable option.
Okay. Josh, let me try to hit it off your head.
Oh yeah, sure,
Put it on your forehead.
absolutely.
That one went backwards. Please don't hit the camera.
Dude, I'm like knocking it out of the park. Okay. All right, well, we found this golf place. That was pretty fun, man. Hit some balls. I think I threw out my back. I'm going to be sore as hell tomorrow. Came out to like $70. I kind of feel like we should have done the VIP for $100
Right.
and played like 18 holes, like a real game. Anyway, we did decide on lunch. And by the way, this is our friend Joe. Hi, Joe.
Yep.
Yeah, what are you riding today?
Harley, Road King,
Nice. In the rain.
in the rain.
You're one of the few. All right, so we're going to try seafood.
Yeah.
We're going to King's.
Okay.
King's Fish House. The company's been around since 1945.
Wow.
I feel like they got their shit together. If a company has been selling fish for that many years, it's got to be good. To King's. Josh, have you ever ridden in the rain?
No.
Oh, shit. Riding in the rain, man. I don't know if we've ever done this on camera. All kinds of firsts today. Little slippery. I wanted to wheelie so bad, I just couldn't do it. Oh, look at that. It's a Lucid. Woo! A good looking car right there.
All right, all right.
Hey, Fisheroo.
All right, King's. That wasn't cheap. Now I know why I don't like seafood. You got to be rich to eat it. It was 5 crab legs for $130. How much was it?
$123.
$123 for a pound and a half.
Sounds like a deal. Let's do it all over again. Okay, well, we did get a bunch of food. We got the pound and a half of crab. I got the steak to play it safe with the mac and cheese and the asparagus. And you got ahi tuna.
Yeah, really nice.
That was good, man. Thanks for letting me try it, too. I liked it. And you got some shrimp.
Jumbo.
Jumbo. Very good. Well, everything that you saw on the table today came out to a whopping $250. All right, where to now?
Center Bar Grill.
Let's go to Center Bar and Grill. Let's eat again. All right, Center Bar and Grill. Then I'm taking you guys to band practice. It's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a long day. Then we're gonna go drink beers. There's your wheelie. Let's get burritos.
Oh shit.
This is gonna be the best part of the night. The burritos. Let's just get a bunch of tacos.
You want 6 tacos?
Dude, this is the best taco truck ever. Except the burritos fall apart, but they're so good.
Time to sober up, motherfucker. Woo!
Are we in your self-driving Tesla?
Yeah.
No, we're Ubering home.
No. Self-driving. Earth
for the
water.
For the homies.
Better
No.
than sex.
I don't know who you're screwing.
King.
Look at these things, man.
Hell yeah.
What did this cost?
I don't know.
It doesn't even matter because they're that
They're
good.
so fucking
They're
good,
so
my dude. Yeah.
I'm glad Uber's taking us home.